Hello YouTube and welcome to another Excel tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can create forecast sheet in Excel 2016. So are you ready? Let's get started. So actually in Excel 2016 a new feature has been added called actually forecast sheet. Okay, so forecast sheet allows us to predict future values based on historical data and can represent these future values in a chart or histogram. So in this example I will show you a concrete example. Okay, so for example, let's see here we have a period of time and we have the cells corresponding to the last 2 years actually. So here you can see the cells for the year 2014 and also for the year 2015. So let's say that I want to predict the cells for the actually year 2016. So here I have a historical data for 2 years and I want to predict the future values for the cells for the coming year. So in order to do that, it's really easy. So you click on your actually table of data and you go to your data tab in your Excel 2016. So as you can see here, so just at the right you can see a new button called forecast sheet. So you click on this button here, there we go, and you have actually a page called create forecast sheet. And what you see here at the end actually are the future values predicted by Excel. So here you can see the forecast ends on month 6th of 2016. So I have 2 years of data and I have predicted actually the coming 6 months. So if I develop here the options, it's always good to develop the options as you can see. And a very important parameter that you can actually tweak is the seasonality. So actually here I have 2 years of historical data and I can say that cycle is 1 year, and actually the seasonality is how many points in your graphics. So if I took actually a month as a point, I can set here manually for 12 months. So if I set that manually, you can see that I have approximately a good approximation of the forecasting data. Okay, so this is the only parameter that you can change actually that can have an influence of your predicted data. So now you can actually see what will be the sales for the coming year. So if I hit create, you can see that I have actually here a graphic with the predicted sales, and also that I have here the values that Excel have predicted for the year 2016. Okay, so it's pretty good start if you have some data, some historical data, and you want to predict them in the future. Okay, so that was just a brief introduction how to use the create forecast sheet in Excel 2016. As always, I hope it has been informative for you and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.